Hello, today we are going to deal with this sum here and it is angles. So you've been told to solve for x. X is this angle right here. So first things first, when you're given such a sum, you should know that angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. Those are the angles in a triangle. So if you are given any triangle, you should get 180 degrees by adding this, and this angle. So the three angles sums up to 180 degrees. That is one. Okay. Then also angles on a straight line should add up to 180 degrees. This is also adds up to 180 degrees. Okay. So I don't know if you can see this clearly. So any angles on a straight line, let's say this. Let me get you to this point. A circle, when you do a one revolution, this is 360 degrees. Okay, when you start at a point, then you rotate, like for example when a cow is grazing, then it does one revolution, it rotates. That is 360 degrees. So meaning a half of it is 180 degrees. So this is why angles on a straight line should add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so these are the two important things that you should know to get this value here. So you've been given this sum, for example this one, and you've been told to find this. So here you've been given 40 degrees and this one is 90 degrees. Okay, this mark, this is 90 degrees for those who don't know. So you have to add this and this, then you'll be able to get this one. So you are going to take 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. This is going to be 130 degrees. Okay, so we are going to take 180 degrees, okay, minus 130 degrees. What are we going to get? This is 50 degrees. Okay, so this 50 degrees near hapa, this one belongs here. So this is 40 degrees, this is 90, and this is 50. So if you add this and this, you should get 180 degrees, which is now this concept here, Then moving to the next angle here, let's use this concept now. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so you've been given 50 as this angle here. How many degrees are remaining to make a full 180 degrees? So you have to take 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. You're going to get 130 degrees. Okay, so this belongs here. So this is 130 degrees. So if you add 50 plus 130, you should get 180 degrees, angles on a straight line. Okay, so reaching here, you have to get this and this angle, and you've been given a clue that this line is equal to this line, meaning the angle here is equal to this angle right here, and you have 130 here. Okay, so if you take 180 minus 130, you get 50 degrees. Okay, so meaning if you have 50 degrees, then the 50 is supposed to be this plus this. Okay, and this one is equal to this one, so you get 50 divided by 2. This is 25 degrees. So meaning here you get 25 degrees and this one also is 25 degrees. So if you are having a 25 degrees here and this is also a straight line, okay, this is a straight line, you have 25 degrees. How many degrees are remaining to make a full 180? So you take 180 minus 25 degrees. This is going to be 155 degrees. And this is what x is, 155 degrees. So x is 155 degrees. Yes. And this marks the end of today's lesson, guys. Feel free to reach out in case you have any other questions or suggestions on how we can work this out in an easier way. Okay.